Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add your email if you don't add it. So you can see it's the Roblox. So I'm just going to click here the settings option, the right top side. You can see it's called the settings option. Simply click the settings, and after that you can see account info and email address. If you create your account new, then you will see this option add email. So simply tap here or click here and give your email here. So I'm just going to give my ID and add it. After that, add the email. So you will get an email has been sent for verification. So pending verification, you need to verify your emails. I'm just going to here confirm. It's a Shopify. Okay, sorry. Okay, I'm just so you can see update. Okay, maybe you need to see the spam, or maybe sorry, here is the one, verify your email. So I'm just going to click here, and you can see Roblox, thank you, your email has been verified, enjoy the free hat. So I can enjoy some item if you verify your email. So okay friend, today's no more, and thank you for watching.